Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide Amazon order history, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to hide Amazon order history. First, just go to Amazon and then you see here hello and your name. After that, click orders. And then select the order that you want to hide. Okay, in the past 3 months I didn't order anything. Okay, let me go to 2023. Okay, in 2023 I have this order. Now what I need to do, just click archive order. And then here you see, even though it will no longer appear in your orders, you can still view it in archive order from your account. After that, click archive order. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to hide Amazon order history. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.